Good morning, everyone. This is our Krisha Small Bungalow. House tour muna tayo. And this is how it looks like after you dress up your own unit. This is our living room, kitchen, and dining area. And then ito naman yung ating bedroom 1. Anyway, ang unit po natin is fully finished upon turnover with free lightings except those appliances and furniture. Ang size ng ating bed ay 48 by 75. Sakto lang sa mga couple. And that is our toilet and bath. And then dito sa likod, pwede natin yan ipasara para makapag-extend tayo ng dirty kitchen. And then on the side, pwede tayo maglagay ng coffee table. And then meron na tayong parking. And then meron na rin tayong free landscape except the pathway. So, konting unit na lang po ang natitira. Para sa mga interesado, call me at 0967-396-8950. Hope to hear you soon.